Dear Diary, today I finally did my inspection. It went fabulous. Hi guys, welcome back to Fork It Up with Neely. If you are new to this channel, my name's Janelle, welcome. And today we're gonna go over tips on adulting. So let's just jump right in, guys. Step number 1, guys, you need a friend. Now, lucky for you, you don't necessarily need a friend, you just need a journal. A journal that's not gonna talk bad to you or give you bad advice. No, honey. Let's just face it, none of your friends know nothing. 1, they may be in the same age group as you, so you guys are pretty much experiencing everything all in the same timeline. Nobody has a correct answer, and there's really not much experience that they can give you. And if anything, they're probably in the same rabbit hole. 2, write down all your problems. You know, being a millennial, it's tough as it sounds. I hate Cynthia. She's trying to steal my man. Maybe my boyfriend's boss, but I'm on to her. Journalizing, but really though. Journalizing will really help you to write down your thoughts, your ideas, some goals you may want to reach. And writing once a day is definitely going to give you an insight of where your mind is actually going and where you want to recenter the balance. Okay, for example, one of my biggest problems is I want things done now, on the fly. If I could pay all my bills off or all my debt off in the next 30 days and starve, I would do it. Just get it done, get over with now. But let's think logically. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to fix your problem because you are. You need to be able to come up with a solution. If I want to pay my bills in 30 days, what exactly bill do I want to pay off? What exactly can get paid off in 30 days, and how much money am I putting towards that debt that I need to pay off? There has to be some type of calculations, there needs to be a game plan, but you need to do that brainstorming. See, the thing is about problems is that we don't find a solution. We just tend to add more to the problem and not figuring anything out. Okay, step 3. Pay your bills and keep them low. So common sense is to keep, pay your bills, but you want to keep track. So you may want to use like a planner or something that's going to help you keep track monthly. This is your best friend. Okay? This will save your life and make others happy. So I'll tell you why. So in my planner, I have 3 markers, but we are only going to be focusing on the pink one. I write out when my bills are due and I highlight it. Once they're paid, they're checked off. That way you have a visual view and you do not miss a payment. So cheers to you. Now, what do I mean about keeping your bills low? All right, let's take car insurance, for example. Let's say you were on the phone with State Farm and they were giving you car insurance for like $215. And you're not really sure if you're gonna take that offer or not. You wait there and you tell them, I'll call you back if I want that offer. I'm gonna think about it. You're gonna go and call another insurance company and all of a sudden, boom, Geico gives it to you for $160. Now, you may just take that offer, or you may be calling other insurance companies to see what is the best deal. Personally, for me, I'll be on the phone all day until I find the best deal. But you have to know how to play the game and fool the system. I'm telling you, once you keep your bills low, it will go into my next topic. So before we get to that next step, let's backtrack. Let me tell you something. Forget step number 1, okay? Not the fact of journalizing, but the fact that you're friends. Everybody needs people. Everybody needs some type of person, okay? And I'm not saying like being in a relationship wise, I mean like we are social beings. You're gonna need help from people. You're gonna need to network. You're gonna need to be able to talk with other human beings, because guess what? They can help you through an experience that you're experiencing now to get out of a rabbit hole. So remember that. Scratch off number 1. Another story. Back to when I used to go to the gym. So I saw a woman there that I thought she was really good at working out. I liked her shape. She was really nice and toned. And I asked her what she does for her triceps. So true story, okay? This turned out to be a conversation. Instead of it being like 5 minutes of telling me what she does for her triceps, it turned out to be a whole 2 hours. I don't even think I actually worked out. I think I was too busy on a treadmill warming up, thinking about what I was gonna ask her. And then all of a sudden, we just started talking like as if we knew each other. Now, I have oddly good connection with people that are older than me. I don't know. But long story short, so moving forward, I got invited to a party, and at this point, I already met her fiance. He owns his own business, and this party was around people their age, around their early 40s to 50s, and I was one of the youngest ones there. And it was a room full of a lot of professors that are from different schools. See, I was going to school already as a registered dietitian, and I was picking their brains on their profession and why they like it and why not they like it. And it was so funny because I ran into another YouTuber that is an actual professor that teaches on the side. And I just think it's so funny how you can meet people just about anywhere, and a lot of people call it networking. A lot of people just call it socializing. I mean, I love to talk business in a sense when it comes to making more money, or just casual when it comes to, hey, what do you do on your day off? And what is it that I can learn from you that I can teach somebody else? You know what I mean? Life is short, so use your time wisely. So let me bring you back to step 5 before we got rudely interrupted with step number 4. Save. Save, guys. That's why bringing your payments low goes straight into savings. You want to be able to save as much as possible because you never know what's going to happen in the future. Or if you really need a quick getaway, or if you want to invest in something. It's better to save now than never. Number 6, side hustle. Have something that makes money on the side for you. One of my favorite quotes, and I will repeat it to you again twice, if you need it. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until you die. Wow, that like blew my mind. Whether it's selling t-shirts, guys, whether it's selling or playing Yu-Gi-Oh cards, whether it's a YouTube channel, gotta find your side. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and stay tuned on another video, guys. Peace.